Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at a site which is going to help you to obviously either improve your business online or actually get you started online. So you're going to be able to use it to help you get started to make money online. And that site is going to be the Internet Marketing Monthly, also known as IM Secret Service. And with that, we're going to show you actually inside the website. We're going to show you what you can get every single month, and we're also going to run through some special bonuses that they are going to give away as well. And also stay tuned right to the very end of this video, because we're also going to show you how you can actually make money by actually sharing the Internet Marketing Monthly. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and check it out. Okay, so as you can see from the headline of the Internet Marketing Monthly, IM Secret Service, you are not achieving your best results online because what's hot in the internet marketing world changes every single month, and you don't have the time, the resource, or the patience to keep Googling for advice. And anyway, you don't know what is good to know, which bit of advice to take or not. And that is the whole point of the Internet Marketing Monthly. We'll do all the legwork for you, basically as if you've got some secret agent going out into the actual internet marketing world and picking out all the things that you need to know and then bringing it back and delivering it straight to your inbox. So you don't have to do absolutely anything. You get everything delivered directly to you every single month. Because you can check out this by having a look on the link below, smartmakemoneytactics.com/IM Secret Service. That's the link you want. That will take you through to this page and it will go through it in far more depth of what you actually get. But we're going to quickly run through some of the points, and we're also going to show you inside the website what you can receive and what the bonuses are, etc. So make sure you stay tuned. And like I say, towards the end of that, I'm also going to show you where actually you can actually earn money with IM Secret Service as well. The IM Secret Service Monthly goes through various different things and all to do with internet marketing. So it could be YouTube, so you could get insider tricks to make simple videos and send traffic to the sales view on autopilot. Blogging, obviously you can get things to do with content and that sort of thing. Conversions, how you can literally quadruple your sales conversions. Outsourcing, JV zoos, so if you're confused about successful JVs, then you don't have to be. Offliners, so you find rejection hard. 5 simple services that you can offer, so loads of different things in there. Facebook, Fiverr as well, free marketing tips, niches, so you can get 50 niches that are begging to be exploited. List building, webinars, podcasts, get the news and the latest hot resources. Now you can actually join the Internet Marketing Monthly IM Secret Service for just $1 at the moment, and you also get some exclusive bonuses as well, and some of those I'm going to actually show you in just a second, because we're actually going to go inside the website, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So like I say, if you want to know more about how you get involved and you get through to this page, click on the link below and it will take you to this page. You can have a really good read through, and also you could go and grab your first copy for just $1. But let's go and give you a little bit more information and dive inside the actual website itself. Okay, so we've come into the members area here on IM Secret Service, the Internet Marketing Monthly. And as you can see here, this is where you can download your latest episode of the magazine, which gives you loads and loads of different stuff. And we're going to actually show you one of the back issue copies of exactly the sort of thing you get, because this is not just a few pages long, it's 30 pages of top quality content that you're going to actually be able to use in your online business and be able to get more sales and commissions, etc. from it. So this is what you're going to get in the members area, and they also give you loads of different back issues as well, and you do get some of those with membership. Okay, and what they've also got, you can get access to some training guides. Okay, so if we go across to that page, And as you can see here, these are your secret agent training guides. And as you can see, there are 10 of these in here. Now, okay, so as it says on the actual website, there's special bonus worth $270 where you get 10 professionally created reports that you can use for lead magnets. So you can give them away as free gifts. You can use them to build your own email list. You can also download them and read them yourself and get the benefit of that, especially if you're just starting out. Also, you can add them as extra bonuses, so you can give these away, guys. So again, for any business, this is fantastic. And as you can see here, there are the 10 guides. All you have to do is come in and obviously then just click on the download and you will get access to those. You can be able to download them for yourself. So as you can see, there is plenty going on in the I Am Secret service. So let's go and have a look at one of the actual monthly magazines that you're going to actually get. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the Internet Marketing Monthly I Am Secret Service. And this is a magazine. This was issue 124 a little while ago. And as you can see, there are certain things. 10 rules to achieve anything you want in life. 5,000 a month mini case study using other people's Kindle books. The sneaky trick to getting heavy hitting affiliates to promote your products. How to spend $1 and receive $5.78 back. And an exclusive interview with Armand Moran. Now, Armand Moran, obviously a top marketer, and they are different interviews with different marketers every single month. So as you can see, it's quite an in-depth actual magazine. You've got resources and news. You've obviously got other things here. There's links to other things, 80 things to check before, during and after launching a website. So all good things there if you're just starting out. Also, a tiny tweak adds $12,000 per year to income. So again, loads of different tips and tricks for different things. 10 ways to tell WordPress hackers to kiss your... and so practical advice as well. And as you can see here, like I say, this is not just a few pages long, guys. This is about 30 pages long of great information that you are going to be able to use in your business. How to create a Facebook business page in 7 steps. So again, practical stuff that you're going to need to know and do once you obviously get online. And obviously you've got this interview with Armand Moran as well. So it's really good to obviously find out all about the background, etc. from these top marketers. So I say there's case studies as well of other people that have had results. So you could obviously look at what they're doing and obviously copy those. 5 clever ways internet marketers are using Instagram Live. So it just covers so many different angles, Facebook Live, in Instagram, and so many other different things as well. So this is definitely worth having in your armory, guys. If you, like I say, are someone that struggles to keep up with things that are going on, or you don't know what's going on in certain things because you're not really in that space, then this is a great way to get, like I say, someone else is going to do all the hard graft for you. All you've got to do is sit back, sign up for the Internet Marketing Monthly, and you can obviously just come in to the website every single month and download it straight to your PC. And like I said, this isn't just a few pages long. We're now literally on page 30, and as you can see, we are still going. Lots and lots of different information that you can actually use in your business, guys. And like I say, this month here was actually 39 pages long. So you would normally be any sort of ebook that's 39 pages long. You could be just literally paying 30, 40, even maybe $50 just for an ebook. On this particular subject, any particular subject. So you're going to get this, if you sign up now, you're going to be able to grab lots of different things in there for just $1. Make sure you take action right now. Like I say, go and click on the link in the description below here where you can actually sign up. And also remember, I'm just going to be able to, like I promised, I'm also going to tell you how you can actually go and make money with the Internet Marketing Monthly. I am secret service, and we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to obviously give you another link underneath the video here. So that will take you to a page on Warrior Plus, and this is where obviously the Internet Marketing Monthly and IM Secret Service sits. So all you have to do, obviously, if you haven't already got an account with Warrior Plus, you can literally from here you can obviously register for an account. Okay, if you have got an account already, you can literally just sign in here, and this will go through exactly an overview of the product. It gives you the funnel map, it gives you how many products are in the funnel, and as you can see there are 3 different products in the funnel. You can view the sales page again here, and you can sign up as an affiliate. Okay, and you will actually get 50% commissions on everything in the actual funnel. And remember, this is a recurring income product, so as long as your people you refer stay active, you will get a monthly commission from us, just for obviously sharing the IM Secret Service. Leaves me for to say again is don't forget to check it out yourself. You can do it for just $1, and you can do that again, like I say, by clicking the link below here. And I've actually put some exclusive bonuses inside the back of IM Secret Service, so you will get some secret bonuses if you sign up today. Okay, I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and also if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you inside the Internet Marketing Monthly and also on the next video.